friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some stuffed jalapeno peppers. I have all ingredients set up and ready to go, so let's jump into it. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and set aside. We'll need 6 to 10 jalapeno peppers, washed and well dried with paper towel. Arrange the peppers in a single layer onto the baking sheet, spacing in between. Roast the peppers at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, set the peppers aside until cool enough to handle. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, and for the chicken filling, we're going to use shredded chicken. Add plenty of salt and black pepper. Add garlic powder and ground coriander, fresh parsley and green onions, and chilies. Mix everything together until combined and set aside. This filling can be made ahead of time and refrigerated in the airtight container until ready to make jalapenos. And for the beef brisket filling, mix in the shredded beef brisket instead of a chicken with the same ingredients as for chicken, just this time we're going to use beef brisket, and set aside. In a small mixing bowl, whisk ketchup, some oyster sauce, balsamic vinegar, and mix well until sauce is creamy and smooth. And set aside for now. Since we'll be handling spicy peppers, you might need to put some disposable gloves on. Using a little spoon, scoop out the seeds out of the peppers and discard the seeds. Repeat this process with the rest of the jalapenos. Make sure to be gentle as not to break the peppers. And now we're going to stuff jalapeno peppers with the filling mixture. And to make this process much easier, I just use a cheese spreader. Or you can just use a small teaspoon to fill the peppers. That will be about 1 tablespoon of the filling into each of the peppers. Of course, depending on the size of the peppers. Once stuffed, make sure to close the pepper as much as possible so the filling doesn't spill out during the baking. Repeat the same process for the brisket filling. Take one pepper at a time, carefully wrap a whole slice of bacon around each pepper, and secure the bacon with a toothpick or a small skewer. And repeat the same with the rest of the peppers. Next, line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Arrange the peppers in a single layer onto the baking sheet, spacing in between, and brush each pepper with barbecue sauce. Make sure to save some of this barbecue sauce for dipping. This barbecue sauce can be made ahead of time and refrigerated in an airtight container until ready to serve. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes or until bacon is crispy. And once the peppers are done, remove from the oven and brush some of that delicious homemade barbecue sauce over the top of each pepper before serving. I like to serve these peppers warm with the remaining barbecue sauce for dipping. The leftover baked peppers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and easily can be reheated. Jalapenos are spicy but fun for a lot of people, even though they are known for being hot peppers, but once baked, they produce less heat, which makes them a kids-friendly. As for my family, my husband likes the brisket filling and I like the chicken filling. I just feel it's more creamier. These peppers are so delicious. They will be your next favorite appetizer on the list for the upcoming holidays. And the barbecue sauce tastes so much better than the store-bought. Now the best part is the tasting. Let the meal be an enjoyable experience. What I like about this recipe that it's quick and easy and easily can be adjusted to your liking. This is so good. This is really, really good. Hope you will enjoy with this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes and I will see you next time. Bye!